Antenna Systems. Happy December. Today we're working on two more of the AE-2000 positioners. This is a 2-axis positioner. Of course, it can do 700 degrees azimuth rotation and 135 degrees elevation rotation. And right now we're parallel building two complete systems with riser tubes, remote power units, and a place for a solid-state power amplifier. Here's the power amplifier we're going to be using. Of course, our handy-dandy network analyzer, which we'll be using to test all the RF functions. The electronics engineer over there building something right now has already thoroughly built and tested both of these units. So they're completely operational. So this azimuth elevation AE-2000 can do up to 20 degrees a second. And as you can see, it moves pretty quick. Here we go. All the way around as necessary. This is a fully operational Death Star. And as you can see, we also build custom RF electronics. This particular unit has inputs here that attach to the AE-2000 arm. So the cables actually feed through the back of it and attach to the inside of it. And this goes out to the antenna and the feed and gives us both S-band right, S-band left hand, and X-band right hand pass-through and X-band left hand pass-through. So this thing can do 4 bands with transmit capability as well. We do custom electronics here at M2 Antenna Systems. Whatever your RF and electronics needs, we'll support it. Thank you once again for visiting M2.